Epi. I have a pen. I have an apple. Apple pen. I have pineapple.
Hey guys, it's Lucky here, and today we are going to find some hardcore role players, and we are going to roleplay because I'm so cool. So I've already checked Therapy Forest. Never mind! Yes, guys! Can I join? I hope they'll accept me. What server is this? Because it actually worked. Oh, it's all in. Yay, guys! I'm so excited! I'm a part of the role players in Therapy Forest. Look at me, guys. I'm so special. Warriors and apprentices needed only. My computer is heating up. It's burning my leg, like actually right now. Gosh, everyone is so hardcore. Jeez. I feel out of place, guys. Am I out of place? With my unicorn horn and rainbow tail. Ponders. If I should just from my guys, warriors needed. I will be a warrior. Guys, I'm gonna be a warrior. Okay, I go through the portal. Alright guys, I feel like we're too schnazzed up. Like, I'm so schnazzy right now. It's just too much. Clovers! Yay! They're so lucky! Okay. Whoa, it's so pretty. Stares out into the distance. Longs for family. Oh, am I supposed to do those, like, special dot things? Okay. Sniffles. Sniffles. I'm sniffling on this chairlift. I'm so sad. I don't know why I'm sad, but I'm sad. I'm so sad. Okay, guys, so oh my gracious. Okay, here we go. That was a really long slide. Hello, little bunny. Where is it? She hissed under her breath. What? I'm scared. I'm scared. Alright, guys, I think that does it for this video. But make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Animal Jam videos. I'll see you guys later. Bye!